Alright, this is a video on how to make a Firebird exploding confetti bomb. So obviously get yourself a nice Firebird air flash 40 target, or the quieter one if you want that. Just need to get an empty tin. I got a nice large 25 caliber one. Drill a hole through the lid, which I've already done, so you can feed the pellet through without having to go through the tin. Take a large section of the tin, get a bit of tape or blue tack, stick the target in the middle, make sure it lines up nicely with the hole. See, there it does. And then get your confetti. I got some nice flowery confetti. Fill the tin up with the confetti. Can get a bit messy. It's very windy today. Got plenty in there. Woohoo! Should probably do. And then you're all ready to go. Take it downrange and shoot it. I'm afraid it's not really anything that's particularly reusable, but it is great fun.